Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on Google Meet. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Google Meet and you will click in this page of app info. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.